Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Myself Aishwarya and today I'll be giving you the overview of Arvind Vastrapur by Arvind Smart Spaces located at Vastrapur, Ahmedabad. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location and right behind me is the sales office. And in front of this sales office there you can see the actual land parcel. Now let me show you the neighborhood. Now, the road of the left hand side leads you to 132 feet ring road and right side leads you to drive-in road. Now, before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform where home buyers are directly connected with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform, if you do one single inquiry, then your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads you to endless calling. But here in Housey, you are directly connected with the developer because here listings are done by the developers and not brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with Housey. In this overview, we'll be discussing about below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. So let's start. First one is project overview. This project is being developed on 2.04 acres of land parcel featuring 2 towers with G plus 21 floors having 3 and 4 BHK premium residences. Coming to the location part, this project is located near Drive-In Road in Vastrapur, Ahmedabad with the distance of Gujarat University 1 km, Gurukul Metro Station 600 meter and Himalaya Mall 1 km. Here you get access to 20 plus luxurious amenities like clubhouse and pool, fitness track, kids play area, senior citizen zone, landscape design and many more. If you are planning to buy a home in Ahmedabad, then I have a strong recommendation for you. Make sure to watch Housey's Rights of Home Buyer series. Many home buyers are not even aware of their legal rights. For example, if you pay token amount to builder and later you decide to cancel the booking, then how much money can the builder legally deduct? If after possession you face any issues such as wall leakages, construction defects, then what is the builder's liability? And most importantly, what legal rights do you have as a home buyer? We have explained all these important topics in a very simple and easy to understand manner. So before you buy a home, I strongly recommend you to watch this series at least once. You can find the link for this series in the I button above and also in the description below. And with the carpet area of 3 BHK 1352 square feet and 4 BHK 1836 square feet. Now let's discuss the booking process. Our token window is open. Client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project details, will share pricing and payment schemes, will show the actual location of project. And then if clients likes it, then they can proceed to the EOI amount, and that is for 3 BHK 3 lakhs and 4 BHK is 4 lakhs. So this was the complete overview of the project Arvind Vastrapur by Arvind Smart Spaces located in Vastrapur, Ahmedabad. If you are looking for more details of this project, then click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.